because my wireless carrier T-Mobile is offering, if I trade in my Galaxy S10, I can actually get an $800 bill credit towards a Galaxy S21. Oops, my bad. I thought that was S21. That was actually S20. This is S21. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today I am going to share to you all that I ordered the Galaxy S21. So I am going to trade in my very beloved Galaxy S10 to a Galaxy S21. And I have a very hard decision to make to let go of this Galaxy S10 that I very love, to switch to the S21. There are a lot of the things that I do not like about the new S21. There are no expandable micro SD card storage, there's no headphone jack, and more features. And my wife is the person that woke me up to make the big move to switch from S10 to S21, because my wireless carrier T-Mobile is offering, if I trade in my Galaxy S10, I can actually get an $800 bill credit towards a Galaxy S21. And I did the math calculation. Actually, at the time when I purchased this S10, it was a really good deal. I got it for 800 bucks, buy one get one free, so it's kind of like 400 bucks per phone. Plus I get the Galaxy earbuds as well. So I got this phone relatively pretty cheap. So after 2 years of wear and tear, took the phone to T-Mobile, they took a look at it, and they are still willing to give me $800 bill credit towards a Galaxy S21, which to me, even though it has a lot of feature I wish it had but it doesn't have, it's kind of hard for me to pass, because my S10 throughout these couple years does have a lot of wear and tear. First of all, the battery life is not as good as before. So I checked with a local repair guy, and just to replace the battery, they said it's about 90 bucks. And once I replace the battery, I will lose the water protection for this phone. So that is a bummer. And also, throughout all these years, my microphone actually is not working as properly, so it's getting a lot of crackling sound. So figuring it's really not worth the repair and do all the replacement and stuff like that, might as well just, you know, bite the bullet, trade this phone, get an $800 bill credit towards my S21 purchase, and I went ahead and jumped the gun and ordered one. So please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way when I get the S21, I will share you all the tips and tricks and what I really think about it. Can I live without the headphone jack and micro SD card? I will let you know the pros and cons, what I think of the new S21 compared to my old Galaxy S10. And maybe before I ship my S10 out, I will probably do some camera testing too, to let you see the picture quality of the camera and the video quality of both cameras, so you guys can have an idea and comparison of both phones and have a better sense of should you upgrade or should you not upgrade. But everybody's case is different. So in my case, my phone is kind of dying, so I really need to get another phone, and I really like Samsung, so I am going to stick with Samsung. So once again, stay tuned for my channel, and I'll be making more videos of the new Galaxy S21. By the way, if you like my video so far and like my channel, can you do me one favor and smash that like button? It doesn't cost you anything, but it supports the channel big time. And also, you may feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I'm greatly very appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So you guys can have an idea and comparison of both phones and have a better
Oh no!